Page 363 of Tom Phillips' A Humament is an example of a technotext, a hypertext, and portrays a nonlinear reading path. A technotext foregrounds the inscription technology used to produce a novel. A hypertext is print or electronic text that has links, chunk text, and multiple reading paths. A nonlinear reading path doesn't have a particular path to be read by. Tom took this technotext, a human document, and made it into a hypertext as well. This particular page is a hypertext because of the chunk text and multiple reading paths. So the chunk text is found on the pages throughout the book, and it is the words that aren't marked over, the words that stand out to us, like say it now to a twilight of the planet. Also, the multiple reading paths, these words can be read in any way, and they can portray different meanings, but they don't have to. The particular words Tom chose to draw attention to hide the meaning of the page. The page 363 does not have a linear reading path like a traditional novel. This page can be read any way that the reader wants to. This makes the reader focus on what the page is interesting to them, and allows the reader to use their imagination when reading the path, however they choose. The Humament is a technotext because it is a book that was taken from a novel, that was taken from letters and formed into an artist's book that we can read in a nonlinear fashion. All of these factors make page 363 out of Tom Phillips' A Humament an artist's book page.